So we are all very excited that this week, Good Luck, which is one of India's favorite shows, will be back with its popular cast. So it's lovely to see. What I loved about Good Luck over the last 5 seasons is how the characters have grown, as it should be. Um, so maybe Gitanjali and Jamil, you can take the lead in saying how did you see the characters in season one, and how is it now in season five when you meet them?
Yeah, sometimes they look at the characters and they couldn't recognize, you know. Anyway,
Actually, during the first season, I think, they were younger.
Yeah.
And as far as Shanti Mishra is concerned, she was much more anxious. And as the seasons have passed, she has become calmer and more sensitive. And I like that. Because we change as human beings, also we change. And that's very interesting that they've taken different things in the series, as far as relationship of mom and dad is concerned, as far as the relationship between parents and sons are concerned. So I think the characters are maturing, and which I'm enjoying.
I think Shanti has become more in control, more confident, and she has a mind of her own more so now than ever before. And as far as Santosh Mishra is concerned, he's become becoming more of a person who is wanting to take charge, but not always managing it, because things are growing, things are evolving, kids are growing up, and he is still very sensitive to the wants and needs of his family. And that is where he is coming from always. And in terms of the kids, when I look back at all of us, we see so much of, kiddishness in our looks particularly. This one is completely new, but yeah, when we look back at our, performances or our looks, the physical appearance, we look so different from season one to what we are right now. So those physical changes are there, but internally, mentally and emotionally, there is a far more great maturity and I think sensitivity to the family values, I would say, which is coming through now.
How has been the journey for you, Hars and Sunita? Because your characters also have grown. There is an arc which has evolved over the last 5 seasons.
See, I feel, with this family and with all of them, I have a very like a great bond, and that is the main reason, I'm able to do this role, and उसका किरदार इस तरीके से ही बढ़ता भी जा रहा है, because these guys like give so much space to you as an actor so that you can work on yourself or work on your character, or like you can do anything और एनी टाइम कहीं भी कुछ भी, हम इम्प्रोवाइजेशन की कोई भी गुंजाइश नहीं छोड़ते सेट पे. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई फील इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपका सामने वाला एक्टर आपके साथ किस तरीके से वो कर रहा है. मतलब इन लोगों के साथ जमील सर, गीतांजलि मैम, सुनीता जी और भाई के साथ भी मैंने एक फ़िल्म की है, तो हमारा एक वो एक कमराडरी आप कहेंगे एक सेट पे होना, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर मैं अपने किरदार की बात करूँ तो आई थिंक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम जिया है गुल्लक करते हुए, बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज 22 आई वाज प्लेइंग अ 15-year-old. सो मुझे हमेशा वो अपनी बॉडी वाइज, आवाज़ वाइज हमेशा ही उसको टोन डाउन करना पड़ा, एंड ऑल थैंक्स टू देम कि उन्होंने दे पुश्ड मी कि आई कैन डू दिस. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई फील ये करना आसान हुआ.
Yeah, I was surprised when I saw your wedding photos. I see.
Yeah, everybody on the internet was like, wow, he's married. Okay.
But now when we look back at those, when those reels appear or the videos appear, and I look at his performance, कितना प्यारा इसका growth आया है.
Yeah.
Phenomenal.
Yes. Yes.
बच्चा बड़ा हो गया.
बच्चा बड़ा और समझदार.
Or Salini ji, there is Salini reveal in the season.
Yeah, I also
We get to know
like,
your real name is Salini.
yeah. So it's similar. Like
Like
I
it is
like-
out. Sorry to cut. Like it
Sorry,
is out.
I have seen it.
Oh,
I watched it.
okay. Okay.
So it's like as Geetanjali and Jamil and Harsh said, it's a phenomenal journey from a nosy neighbor. You can say I have become someone who is also emotionally attached to the family. She do have some values, though yes, her character is a little bit of irritating and poking her nose in everybody's business. But yes, I do have some shades which has helped me to grow as an actor also. And it has been like a roller coaster, like it's because she's very loud. So I think that helps me to keep it alive and energetic every time.
और हमारा लगता है मिश्रा परिवार और बिट्टू की मम्मी का एक लव हेट रिलेशनशिप चलता
एक
रहता
अलग
है।
हाँ रिलेशन वो है ही है.
And I feel Bittu की मम्मी is not just noisy. She's somebody जो एक एपिसोड में आपको पता लगता है कि ये इस परिवार के प्रति एक केयर भी रखती है.
हाँ
She is not just a noisy neighbor. She is also कि जिसको इस परिवार की परवाह भी है और वो उनको अपने परिवार जैसा ही मानती है.
मतलब इमोशनल
Yeah,
अटैचमेंट
हाँ.
भी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली आई और परेशान किया और चली गई और ये लोग भी ऐसे मतलब मुंह बनाया.
She becomes part of the family.
शी इज पार्ट ऑफ मिश्रास
मतलब
फैमिली.
वो जो नोकझोंक है या जो ये है उससे भी ज्यादा इसकी जरूरत है मिश्रा फैमिली को भी और उनको भी. मतलब ये जो रिश्ता है वो बहुत
जैसे कार्स में एक जोकर होता ही है ना,
तड़का है हमारा ये।
तड़का
and
है.
most lovable character I feel.
Yeah, absolutely.
Anand, how was it joining this family in season 5?
अच्छा कहना है.
डरा रहे
अच्छा ही कहना है.
अच्छा ही बोलने वाला था मैं. I think fabulous here. It's a dream team, मतलब undoubtedly because such a successful show. And I've been on the other side, like I've been the audience of this show and always admired the show. I have a family with my brother in it and my mom and dad. So similar family setup, and we have always discussed this show in our, in our dinners, at our dinners, and whenever we sit. So this show has been part of my life as an audience, but now to do it as a character and such a loved character, I think it was a surreal feelings. There were so many times when you would have this feeling of deja vu that ये हो चुका है, and then you have to remind yourself कि नहीं, वो तो audience की तरह तुम देख रहे थे. So it was that mixed feeling. But to work with them was such a pleasure because with Sunita ji, Geetu and Harsh, I have worked before in different projects. But with Jamil sir, this was the first time I was jamming, and I think we really seamlessly, at least from my end.
Yeah.
And he's such a welcoming actor, and all of them, I think, because they've worked enough, it was such a professional environment. And then I think the main, the power lies on the writing.
Yes.
Yes.
When the writing is sorted, your direction feels so, so clear. Your paths look so clear that you don't need a lot of crutches. But then you stick to the writing, you stick to the scene, and the dialogues and everything comes together so beautifully. And yeah.
Anu's shoes are big to fill, and he's done a great job.
Yeah.
He tells. He never felt that there is a different kind of energy or something like that. He gave us a very easy bonding. I think it was very necessary for us because you get used to some kind of energy or some kind of vibe. But
And I feel,
kudos to him that he has really played a very major part, comforting us.
and he's also a very courageous actor, I feel, because it's not very easy to fill somebody else's shoes or and take that thing ki I'll do it. That takes courage. I don't think I'll ever do it in my life.
And very gracious also.
Yeah. Also, I felt, I don't know about the others, working with him, because you work with another actor for 4 seasons, that you almost know exactly how that is going to pan out with that actor. Now you have a new face, new body language, new everything.
New voice.
And everything. And the moment you are doing something, you are expecting something else, and something else which is different comes through, and then you react according to that, being in the moment. And so it's a good welcoming experience for us too,
Yes.
to have him there.
Yeah, for him, I think it is otherwise also very, very difficult to, even if we go and when we start any shoot, the first day is always very difficult because everybody is different. You don't know anyone. And for him, it must have been very difficult because we all 4-season old family. We have our own jokes. We have our own,
But also
everything.
the great thing is that for example, I remember when we were shooting for Cobalt Blue, and you used to come from Gullak set. So it's a very weird feeling to be like vaguely so familiar with everybody. So as an audience, as an individual,
Yeah.
like personally, I knew all of them.
And
So
while we were doing a film together, so I was shooting for like Gullak season 4.
Yeah.
And then I got to know he's doing it. Like his name was like he मैंने कहा अगर किसी को लेना है तो भाई he's the one because I worked with him. So
We are lucky to have him.
yeah.
And most of you have theatre background,
Yeah.
theatre experience. So how is it like what taking as an extension of what you said about reacting? How is it when you are together because you are so familiar with your characters and the story and the soul of the show. So was there times like there was a lot of improvisations? Like one scene I remember when I think episode 1 when Anu almost lifts you and they're going to fight. So
Episode
was it
one.
kind of was it scripted or did it happen?
No, not at all.
Many things. So the best thing about Gullak, I feel, is we reverse a lot. So our lines are in control. So because of that, we can play the situation and we react to each other very easily because we know our lines very well and we know the situation very well. So that really becomes a thriving space for improvisation. And I think we improvise a lot, as far as actions and reactions. are
Can you give some examples of something very
For
unexpected?
example, in season 4, we did this
Gaadi
car
wala.
parking scene,
Yeah.
and it was like hilarious.
And it was not in the script at all.
The imaginary car driving over car in the
The imaginary car, and I said that why shooting? Because I was observing, especially Harsh and Jamil, they improvise a lot, and I was observing that scene. And this is something amazing which is happening right now, and I'm witnessing it as a co-actor, and I enjoyed that scene, because main action was there. I was reacting to it, and my wildest thought, never imagined that this could happen on screen, and it was really, really hilarious.
I was telling Jamil that one of the first plays that I watched in Bombay is Katha Kola's one, in which he plays Nasiruddin Shah's son.
Yeah.
And within that 1 hour, I think there is a transformation happens in him. A son who has his father and irritated with his father, and when father passes away. And the transformation that he brings to the stage, I was transfixed. Seeing that an actor within a span of that 45 minutes, 1 hour could do that. If you can, you no longer do that part, play that part, but if you can share that experience.
Thank you. I mean, that's that show
Nostalgic, it must
is very nostalgic and it's very close to my heart. It's one of the shows that's given me the maximum recognition as an actor too, and to be on stage with Nasir Bhai, whom I consider like my guru, he's like a father figure, he's like an older brother, friend, philosopher, guide, and I have immense love and respect for him. To be on stage with him, I've worked with him before. He's directed me in other plays, but in this play, it was very close to being real because he was playing my father, and because I look up to him like a father, that it was very real. And my real father passed away in 2009, and I was doing that show. And in the show, I remember in one of the shows after my real father passed away, I was doing that scene lying on that cot, and I could see Nasir Bhai in the wings, looking at me. And I could kind of gauge it that he was, through your peripheral
Well,
vision,
like,
that he's there. And it was such a surreal feeling that my actual father has passed away और सामने नसीर भाई खड़े हुए हैं, ये उनकी रूह इनमें घुस गई है, ये क्या है? And it was very real for me, and that feeling, that moment is something which I would take to my grave. That show for me is more than a play, more than a show. It's beautiful, and thank you for loving that. So and lots of audiences still remember me from that. So yeah, stage, क्या बोलूं यार, वो दुखती रंग पे हाथ रख दिया आपने. I would love to get back to stage. Yeah.
yeah. But how important do you think, like, all of you have played a variety of characters, but this ordinary family का story बोलना कितना जरूरी है? Like, something, it's like everybody's comfort watch now. So is it like, because we also don't get to see, do you think of it as a representation of middle class family?
Absolutely.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
And also, what I find interesting about Good Luck is, it reminds you of the series or life we led in 1980s, but it also has today's issues.
Very
and
contemporary,
problems.
yeah.
And even the language, it's like especially the younger generation, the sons, they bring in that today's language of the youth, and
Yeah.
that's why that overall interaction becomes very interesting.
Full of flavors, like,
The
not
relatability
only in
ratio is
emotion,
like very big.
language.
Like Gullak ka, I don't think like in India, like nobody is like जिसने गुल्लक देखा और उसने बोला कि यार हमने तो relate नहीं किया. Because 80% मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो गुल्लक है वो हिंदुस्तान है. So that is the reason most of them watch it and they are like कि यार automatically उनको पसंद आता है, क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें हमारे किसी एपिसोड में हमने ऐसी की हुई हैं जो सब रिलेट कर पाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई फील पीपल आर लाइक रियली, क्योंकि फिल्मों में हम यूजुअली ऐसा देखते हैं ना कि लार्जर देन लाइफ चीज़ें दिखाई जाती हैं हमेशा, जो हमेशा हमारी फिल्मों में हुई हैं, उससे इंसान रिलेट नहीं कर पाता. दे कैन सी इट एंड वॉच इट एंड बोल के लगे यार कितना अच्छा है, बट ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें जब बनती हैं तो सब जुड़ जाते हैं साथ में. इट यूज टू हैपन व्हेन जैसे कच्ची धूप करके चीज और ये सब आता था दूरदर्शन पे जो मैंने देखा है. सो मुझे वो फैक्टर गुल्लक में लगता है.
और एक मुझे बहुत जरूरी बात लगती है, इट्स अ फैमिली वॉच, सो जो कोई ऑडियंस मतलब
Yeah.
सोशल मीडिया पे कमेंट करते हैं या पर्सनली मिलते हैं तो यही कहते हैं कि ये ऐसी सीरीज है जो हम पूरी फैमिली मिलके देख पाते हैं.
Yes.
आई थिंक दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग, क्योंकि पहले हम टीवी ऐसे ही देखते थे, और आज इतना मुश्किल हो गया बिकॉज एवरीबडी वॉचेस एवरीथिंग ऑन फोन ऑन देयर ओन डिवाइसेस. लेकिन ये ऐसा है सीरीज की जो पूरी फैमिली मिलके देखती है.
This is like it has become a reason for the whole family
Come together.
to come together, have popcorn at home, pakodi, chai, and watch it and enjoy it.
आई
Like,
थिंक दिस इज वेरी इंडियन.
very Indian.
Very
Yeah.
Indian.
पहले रामायण देखते थे जैसे, या फिर इस तरह की चीजें देखते थे, या मैच देखते हैं जहाँ फैमिली में बच्चा भी है, दादा भी है, मम्मी भी देख रही है, बहन भी देख रही है. दिस सीरीज इज लाइक दैट.
And a lot of people have also, as a party, it's an event today, so we'll put
Watch
on
Gullak.
Gullak, have a good meal and whatever else with it, and watch Gullak. So
Mosam
it's like an event, huh?
And people have such a big smile when they meet you at any place, be the airport, parlor, anywhere in the mall or anywhere na. They are so happy कि अरे कितना बढ़िया है गुल्लक, इतना ज़्यादा, it's so pure. मतलब the love of audience is also very pure. It's not just कि कोई, sorry,
आया
it's not just कि एक एक्टर दिख गया है तो हाँ, they are really,
Genuine love.
very
तो मुझे
genuine.
पता है मम्मी और बेटा ऐसी बात करते जैसे अन्नू की मम्मी और अन्नू बात करते हैं. सो दे रिपीट द डायलॉग लाइक दैट.
Yes.
एंड इन टुडेज जनरेशन किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि दे विल स्टॉप यू एंड से समथिंग. बहुत अच्छा लगता है यार. आई हैव मेट पीपल जो मुझे मिलकर रोए हैं क्योंकि किसी ने, आई डोंट वांट टू शेयर द स्टोरी, किसी के कुछ परिवार वालों को खो दिया है जिनके साथ वो शो देखा करते थे लॉकडाउन में, एंड वो सब मेमोरीज हैं. सो इट इज लाइक हमें नहीं पता एज एन एक्टर्स हम कितनी लाइफ इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, तो दैट इज समथिंग जो मुझे लगता है सिनेमा आपको जितना दूर लेकर जाता है, सो इट इज लाइक रियली मैजिकल.
Sunita, I am very fortunate to have watched Santosh. Not many in India have watched your film Santosh. And there you play a character which is morally ambiguous, sexually also there is an ambiguity. And here you play a playful character. In Panchayat, you are a Ladaku woman. So how is it living all these different worlds and again bringing them alive?
You know, this is like a dream come true for any actor actually, to have so many characters in their plate.
If you can specify how you probably approached Bittu Ki Mummy.
To be very frank, when I did the first scene, wo terrace wala, I was very confused that time. Though we had readings, we did some workshop also. Because the dialogue was, मैं इन आदमियों को बोल रही हूँ इनकी छत पे सामान रख दो, and I'm telling her कि आप भी सामान रख देना जब आपका घर बनेगा, and she says हम नहीं रखते सामान, and I say हाँ हम भी नहीं रखते. And I was so confused because you know we generally as an actors हम लोग ना एक लिंक ढूंढते हैं, तो ये मैंने ऐसा इसलिए कहा क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा करा. तो मैंने उस निखिल को यही बोला, he was directing it कि भाई he was the writer, कि मैंने कहा मैं लेकिन मैं तो रखवा रही हूँ सामान, तो मैं ये क्यों बोल रही हूँ. उसने बोला मैम आप करो, it's looking hilarious. For the first season I just blindly followed whatever the writer and director said, Amrit and Nikhil, and I was not sure what I was doing. And some of the nuances like calling out Anu, that was from my childhood memory. How I'm from Uttarakhand, so and he's also from Uttarakhand, so he knows it well. How we stretch the name and call people there because of the distance, hills and all those things. So I think वो बचपन में जितना देखा वो कहीं अंदर रह गया था, वो अपने आप से आया. तो जब वो रिलीज हुआ फर्स्ट सीजन एंड पीपल लाइक्ड इट, इट वाज सेकंड सीजन व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन इट. फॉर द फर्स्ट वन totally goes to the writer and director, and then I understood, okay, she is like an idiot who doesn't know what she's saying. She doesn't understand that what she's saying is hurting others. This is not the time to, like time का या space का कोई उसको अंदाज ही नहीं है. अपनी मजाक बन रही है, वो बोलता है तो पर्दे जैसे लग रहा है, नहीं नहीं पर्दे जैसा तो नहीं लग रहा है. तो like she is naive, she is honest, she is innocent I think, and she is harmless, but she is an idiot because अगर समझदार होती तो कब क्या बोलना है पता होता. उसको कुछ नहीं पता है, उसको लगता है मैं होशियार हूँ बहुत, मैं तो एकदम समझदार हूँ, मैं अच्छे से जा रही हूँ. एंड शी थिंक दैट्स व्हाई अन्नू की मम्मी इज फ्रेंडली विद हर, बिकॉज शी थिंक्स शी इज द बेस्ट अमंग द नेबर्स.
दिल की अच्छी है.
And Harsh, you grew up in the like as a child actor. Then you, I think, again must have there is a growth that happened with Gullak. How has been this experience for you? And then growing up as the son of Mishra family.
It was a roller coaster ride for me because like मैंने पहले जब first season of Gullak जब किया था, I was like clueless like her because my role was not very well written, अगर मैं सही मायने में कहूँ तो. और मुझे जो होता रहे. So basically what happened is कि जो निखिल ने लिखा था फर्स्ट सीजन में, उसने माँ बाप और भाई के लिए लिखा था अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से, एंड वो किरदार था जो मैं प्ले करता हूँ. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न मेरे लिए उतना कुछ ऑन पेपर था नहीं. एंड उससे पहले मैं हिचकी करके आया था यशराज फिल्म्स के साथ. एवरीबडी वाज सेइंग टू मी कि तू क्यों कर रहा है यार ये शो, इसमें क्या है. बट उसमें एक ना कुछ हेडलाइंस ऐसे लिख के आई थी कि मोटर बंद कर दो, दूध के डोलू में दूध ले आओ. सो ये मैंने अपने जीवन में देखा है. हम दो भाई हैं और माता पिता हैं, तो मैं दूध लेने जाता था जब तक मैं बॉम्बे नहीं आया था, और मोटर में मैं जाके ही बंद करता था और टंकी में पानी भर जाता था, पानी निकल, वो सब वो देखा है मैंने कहा अगर ये सही मायने में सही तरीके से बन गई एंड मैं किसी भी तरीके से इसका पार्ट हुआ, बाकी जो होगा देख लेंगे. एंड अगर इसने लोगों को सही कॉर्ड्स हिट कर दिए, सो इट विल बी द बिगेस्ट एंड द रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री, सो या.
And I think we can all agree that Gitanjali is supremely talented, and we just see a part of that in Gullak. So for you, playing this role, Santi Mishra, how satisfying it has been for you?
It has been really satisfying because first of all, Gullak is such a hit.
Yeah.
You know, I think I've done a lot of indie films and
Yeah.
been part of projects which are, critically acclaimed. But I think Gullak, the kind of fame it has given me, I would have never imagined, and especially I'm a Maharashtrian. People from North India saying that we didn't even realize that you are a Maharashtrian and you are like.
And you have the best lines, huh? And the
Yeah.
Katakshar, which
Yeah, I like the banter. I like the energy of the character, and it has been really. I feel very fortunate to be part of Gullak and a part of this ensemble because I think the writing is so good. We do rehearsals. The work ethics are so good, and I feel really fortunate. When as a team we come together while shooting, while rehearsing, and while promoting. The kind of vibe we have, the kind of unity we have, and it's amazing. And of course, the credit goes to the makers. Credit goes to our creator Shreyansh Pandey and this season's director Abhay Rao. He has, I think, taken a lot of efforts to put this up. It's
Relive.
and of course, Sunny Live. You cannot do anything without the OTT platform. But I think, yeah, so the credit goes to the whole team. Whatever I have done was because of the team. Otherwise, it wasn't possible at all.
Anand, do you think, like Harsh said, that you are very courageous to take on this role? Do you think that you're...
No, I think I'm more than courageous. I was considering purely lucky. For somebody to trust you, I was finding it very lucky for somebody to trust you to give such a successful character. So from my point of view, it was purely an opportunity. So there was nothing that I was thinking about that I'm doing something courageous or it's something, a very dangerous territory that I'm falling into. No, this was an absolute amazing opportunity to share screen with such loved characters and actors. And being part of a show that my family also enjoys. Because, it's very important and that is very special when your family start watching something or start enjoying something that you do. So I think for me, that was the only motive going straight up into it.
But you had seen some episode, like you must have seen the show.
Of course,
before.
I'd seen all the.
Was there any thought, like something you unknowingly you may try to do, which...
Oh no, that I think right from the beginning, from the get-go, we made it very clear that I would not be able to mimic somebody. So if that's the expectation, so I may not be able to fulfill that. But I will definitely meet you somewhere in the middle because, already the foundation has been laid and a lot of love has been received for the same. So I cannot completely cheat the audience for that. So I always, agreed to meeting somewhere in the middle. And I thought, and also the good thing is it's a new season. So individually, all our characters have evolved. Now they're facing very different set of problems and issues and challenges. But where they unite is the Mishra Parivar. Yeah. So I think that helped me to add my bit and my lived experiences into it and bringing what Anu has already lived for the last, 4 seasons.
I think we can wrap up with this. Like, with the last question. Suppose you meet your character. Is there any advice or anything that you'll tell your character?
I will tell my character to take it easy.
I tell my character not to cheat. Because I think
Because everybody else will.
Good one.
But the thing is, even I love the quirkiness. I love all the shades that Bittu ki mummy has. I love the fact that she is so verbal. I love the fact that she's innocent and she's harmless. I love my character.
I would probably say keep it going. It's working and I'm enjoying it. So just keep it going.
बहुत प्यारा आदमी है यार तू.
He loves himself. I would say take more risks. Yeah.
Yes.
Because such a protected family, just snap out, take more
Too
risks.
much responsibility. Thank you.
मेरे को
Oh, okay.